How to lock, unlock, or hide formulas in Excel. Formulas in Excel are the expressions that perform calculations on values in a worksheet. You can lock, unlock, or hide formulas in Excel to protect them from being edited, deleted, or viewed by other users. To lock formulas in Excel, you need to follow these steps. Unlock all cells in the worksheet. By default, all cells are locked in Excel, but the locking only takes effect when you protect the worksheet. To unlock all cells, select the entire worksheet by pressing Ctrl+A or clicking the Select All button on the top left corner of the sheet. Then right-click on any cell and choose Format Cells from the context menu. In the Format Cells dialog box, go to the Protection tab and uncheck the Lock option. Click OK to apply the changes. Select the formulas you want to lock. You can use various methods to select only the cells that contain formulas, such as using Find and Replace, Go to Special, Name Box, or Conditional Formatting. For example, you can use Go to Special by pressing F5 or Ctrl+G to open the Go to dialog box. Then click on Special and choose Formulas from the list. Click OK and all formula cells will be selected. Lock cells with formulas. With the formula cell selected, right-click on any cell and choose Format Cells again. In the Protection tab, check the Lock option and click OK. Protect the worksheet. To activate the locking of cells, you need to protect the worksheet by going to the Review tab and clicking on Protect Sheet. You can enter a password to prevent unauthorized users from unprotecting the sheet. You can also choose what actions are allowed for users on a protected sheet, such as selecting cells, formatting cells, inserting rows or columns, etc. Click OK to protect the sheet. To unlock formulas in Excel, you need to follow these steps. Unprotect the worksheet. To unlock any cells, you need to unprotect the worksheet first by going to the Review tab and clicking on Unprotect Sheet. If you have set a password, you need to enter it and click OK. Select the formulas you want to unlock. You can use the same methods as above to select only the cells that contain formulas. Unlock cells with formulas. With the formula cell selected, right-click on any cell and choose Format Cells again. In the Protection tab, uncheck the Lock option and click OK. To hide formulas in Excel, you need to follow these steps. Select the formulas you want to hide. You can use any of the methods mentioned above to select only the cells that contain formulas. Hide cells with formulas. With the formula cell selected, right-click on any cell and choose Format Cells again. In the Protection tab, check both Locked and Hidden options and click OK. Protect the worksheet. To activate the hiding of cells, you need to protect the worksheet by going to the Review tab and clicking on Protect Sheet. You can enter a password and choose what actions are allowed for users on a protected sheet. Click OK to protect the sheet. When you hide formulas in Excel, they will not be visible in the formula bar when you select a cell that contains a formula. However, they will still be displayed in the cell itself unless you also change the number format of the cell to hide its contents. To do that, you can select the cell or range of cells that contain hidden formulas and press Ctrl+1 to open Format Cells dialog box. In Number tab under Category section, select Custom option and type 3 semicolons as type value, then click OK button. Note, hiding formulas in Excel does not prevent other users from copying or deleting them if they can access your worksheet. To protect your formulas from being copied or deleted, you need to lock them as well.